me down. Aluko, good evening. Ekundare, good evening. Memphis. Now, Baba Adeboye has been disturbing you. Baba orite miru. Baba orite miru. Àwọn gbọ̀nràn mi dẹlẹ́rù. Mi ìdẹ̀ bá bàbá jà. Mi ò bú bàbá. Mi ò tó bẹ́ẹ̀ láti bú bàbá tó náà kọ́ mi. Mo dẹ̀ túnra kọ́. For the fact wí pé mo ní kọrin ká má gbàdúrà mú kò mí pé mo bá bàbá jà. Mo kàn fẹ́ I go explain tire. Èèyàn kan pọ̀ sí you will text me. Okay, Memphis, no wahala. Èèyàn kan pè sí orí show kan ní ọ̀dọ̀ aunty Àjọkẹ́ prevailing issues because she analysed one of my video. Ní lady yẹn ń bọ̀ kò yẹ kó sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn now. Kò yẹ kí woman yẹn sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn now. Ṣe bí gbígírí kan because Christian ní gbogbo wa ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run nígbà tẹ́ jẹ́ Christian kí n tèmi pẹ̀lú yẹn. Mo ní my story, my conviction ni mò ń sọ, my experience. Ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ǹjọ́ òun yẹn tó di èèwọ̀. And you guys are in a country where there is freedom of speech. Rẹ̀ fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀. Kò yẹ kí woman yẹn sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn now. Báwo ló ṣe máa sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Irú testimony wo nìyẹn? Tó bá di ọ̀la ni màá ráyè sọ̀rọ̀ testimony tẹ́ ń pariwo yẹn. Mo ti screenshot tèèyàn kan. Tó bá di ọ̀la mo máa analyze ọ̀rọ̀ testimony yẹn. Ọ̀rọ̀ testimony bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe testimony tó bá di ọ̀la. You live in a country where you are given opportunity to speak your mind. Reminder, ó máa bá show yìí jẹ́, ó máa tún wá in 10 minutes time. You live in a country, especially in Tewala abroad, where you are given opportunity to speak your mind. Even tó bá ṣẹ̀gbọ́n tọ́lọ́pàá bá fẹ́ mú ẹ, o lè sọ pé I plead. Thank you, my darling sister Ngozi. O lè sọ pé I plead the 5. Àbẹ́kọ́ ni wọ́n ṣe ń sọ. Bó o fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀, o need lawyer. Wọ́n á dẹ̀ fún ẹ lawyer láti plead the case ẹ. Mo ní case mi lọ́rọ̀ tí mo sọ. Experience mi. It's my experience. It's my experience. My kí ló tún pè? My truth, my conviction. Ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run báwo ló ṣe affect yín? Then I am talking. How is that talk? What I'm talking? How is my talk attacking Christianity? I still don't understand. The way you people think me coming out to speak about my experience is attacking Christianity. Kò tí yé mi. Except you know there is something about Christianity that you yourself you are scared of and you are not convinced about. Tí o bá sí yẹn, you should not be. Go and see people talking about Christianity. Go and look at people whose pages are really about Christianity. 1 minute. Let me take my other phone. I want to read some things to you. Hopefully, let me see those pages. There are a lot of pages on Facebook. If you are looking for pages that are talking about Christianity, rubbishing Christianity, like you said, I can mention them for you. There are many of them. The only thing I am talking on is my own experience, the truth I have come to know, and you can't take it away from me. Too bad. You can't take it away from me. You will not say I should not talk. Thank you, Fatima. Pages like Matthias Ezeaku. There is this guy too I'm following. Barara. He has changed his name away from Barara. There are lots of people. And it's their conviction too. Ewa, LS, Ekuma. If you go to his page, that guy used to be a father. No, she father ni tell her be priest. He used to be a pastor, sha. God bless you. LS Ewa, God bless you. He used to be a pastor before. And he said his own conviction. Ẹ lọ sí àwọn page bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ẹni tẹ́lẹ̀ múlẹ̀ ń lè dìmú because I'm a woman. That is why all of you are saying rubbish. Thinking I will shut up. You think I will shut up? Hey, if you guys should see me, you are fighting for your God. You say your God is all powerful and you have to fight for him. You cannot say you are handing me over to God to deal with me. Maybe you say prayer work. All you need to do is to hand me over to God and say, God, deal with this woman. Despite the fact that you see a lot of people confirming that this woman is not lying. This woman is not lying. This is what is happening. I am talking. If you see me talking, most times, I talk on my experience. And this last one that has caused a lot of noise on social media was as a result of what happened to Wigwe. And I was saying, Wigwe, why are they crying about Wigwe? Wigwe is not the first time they are doing it. God bless you, Mesole Oladipo Jude. You said confusing your experience with, let me pin this your comment, please. You said confusing your experience with talking against Christianity is like asking a RAPE victim not to speak up. It's just hypocrisy. The system is decayed and you are creating awareness. You can't shut me up. I will continue to speak. And tomorrow, by tomorrow, all things being equal, I'm going to do a show on testimony. The more you are even abusing me, the more you are giving me topic to be bringing out of your in your company, me say, auntie, please don't roll the way they are rolling by using derogatory comments when you are talking. You are talking sense. The way they are attacking you is to make your talk to lose credibility. Somebody called me yesterday, sent me a voice note. She said, don't roll the way they want you to roll. Your talk is making a lot of sense. And if you go their route, your talk, they will let it lose credibility. Focus on what you are saying. She said she's living in UK and she has been in UK for a long time. And she can attest to that. What I am saying is truth. The truth is bitter, definitely. And for a people that has been brainwashed over decades, I'm going to explain to you tomorrow why I spoke about the testimony the way I did. I am not the first and I will not be the last. And it's still happening till today. The testimony thing. Again, it's still happening till today. So I'm not the first and I will not be the last. You know? I am only using my experience to talk to people to get sense. I'm only using my experience to tell people that, look, these people are nothing but businessmen, no? And when I'm talking, you've never seen me talk about Methodist. Is Methodist not part of Christian? Methodist, you won't Christian. Methodist, Catholic, I don't go that route. You know why? And I will tell you the reason. All those churches have structures. You've never seen them outside saying they are doing miracle service. You will never see them saying people should sow seed. Even among their members, you will never see them saying, we have not seen any Anglican bishop, Catholic bishop, Celeb bishop, Kerubu bishop, Baptist bishop. We've never seen any one of them buy jets. The only people buying jets are Pentecostal. And those are the ones I've been talking about. So how has that translated to me attacking Christianity? You people are so deep into this thing that as educated as you are, as exposed as you are, you don't know when something is called an attack. From when somebody is creating awareness on something that is enslaving people, turning people to mumu, taking advantage of the vulnerable, taking advantage of the weak, taking advantage of the poverty in the country because of what is going on in Nigeria. So you don't know the difference. You know what? Like I told somebody this evening, I said, I'm not bothered. I said, Rose, thank you, love you too. I said, there are still going to be a lot of victims. So those are the time, and I told that person, I said, all the pioneers of this nonsense we are seeing now, those, sorry for that interruption. I have a reminder coming up on my phone, so I try to turn it off. Thank you, Gloria. All the people that pioneered this armed robbery thing that we are seeing that you are calling religion. I told somebody less than an hour ago, I said very soon, those barbarians, they like it or not, they will go. And that will be the greatest deliverance for our people. They are at the age where they can go at any time. They are over 80-something. So if it is time for them to go, they will go. Even if they don't want to go, age will make them to go and sit down. And by the time they sit down, if they are still alive, things might not be as it's supposed to be and people will be delivered. But by the time they go, it will be a great deliverance for people. Because a lot of things will start happening. And you will start seeing and you will start asking questions. Even you yourself, by yourself, now you go begin make some decision. Not because anybody is talking. People have been so enslaved over decades. And some of us were caught very, very young. And that is why we were so deep into it. Not like some of you that you are matured and this is the era of information and all that. We started when they were starting, when our people were still backward. There was no access to information. It is whatever they tell you. We joined them at that time. Somebody in their 20s. What else do you expect? And we were so deep. We went into it fully. What else do you expect of us? You can say we are naive. Yes, I agree. You can say we were mumu. Even myself, call myself mumu. When somebody was telling me, I once called Daddy Baba Adeboye my daddy. I said, why I call him my daddy then was because I be mumu. Because even Baba himself has come out to say he has only 4 biological children. The video is on YouTube. He said he has only biological children. 4, only 4. I think that was when that guy has not gone. So now he has 3. Baba spells it out. Say now only 3 pikin. At least now. As at then he said he has only 4 children. Meaning Baba Egbe Moyomo to be. And when the chips are down, his family first before anybody. In caring, in catering, in making sure the great-grandchildren does not live in poverty, they are his first priority. The same goes for Oyedepo. The same goes for Kumuyi. But for somebody like Kumuyi's own, his children, I'm not sure they are interested in his ministry. So maybe the wife will take over. But when the wife goes, oh, our people shall be liberated. You are not seeing it the way people that have been out of this thing are seeing it. So you can never understand. You will never, ever understand. To you, we are attacking Christianity. If the way you claim, the way you call it, that when you decree a thing, it shall be established. All you need to do is to decree that my mouth should seal, that glue should hold my mouth. I will not be able to come out again. That's all you need to do. Shebi una say I be antichrist. Antichrist get power pass now. You guys say I be devil. Devil get power pass you. Okay, yeah, I agree. No wonder you've been praying against the same devil for since them born me. Now I don't hear the prayer of devil get thee behind me. The devil never stopped getting behind you till today. Some of you are 60 already. And you are still praying against this same devil. That means he get power past you. All you need to do is to pray. Make I no fit talk. Shebi, you say the weapons of your warfare are not carnal, but mighty through God in pulling down of stronghold. Hello? Right? I am using the Bible to talk back to you now. The weapon of your warfare are not carnal, but mighty through God in pulling down of stronghold. Even the Oyinbo way write that thing, you will know when there is serious wahala, they go to court. When there is serious wahala, they call 911. They don't pray. They will not say the weapon of my warfare. When there is serious wahala, they will roll out all their nuclear weapon to fight any country we won't fight them. They will not say they are praying. Those are the Oyinbo that wrote it inside the Bible for you. When anything is happening, they take it according to the law. They take it according to the flesh, what you will regard as flesh. They address it. They will not say they are addressing it in the spirit. And like I said, you don't have to stay on my page. I don't stay where, when I see pages that don't do what I like, I don't follow them. I'm their stronghold. I don't follow pages that I don't like. I follow a lot of pages, but I don't follow pages that I don't like because I don't want to be a nuisance on that page. And if I see the video of that person, I won't even comment because me oba. Kì í ṣe pé mo hate ẹnìyẹn o, but content ẹnìyẹn kò thrill me. Any surori bolo lady checkmate me. Though if you are watching me, you really checkmate me for that your voice note you sent to me. Mo ti fẹ́ bú èèyàn kan sin. Ó ní aunty please. Aunty please. Shegboloyinbo, go back to school, Baba Ahmed. Go back to school before you come and talk on social media. Go back to school so that I know what you really want to say. But that's school. You will come and like to say short. All you need to do, like I said, is to pray. Pray. Just to pray. Your prayers are working. All you need to, as long as I have not called your name in my shows, I don't think you have any moral rights to talk to me. I want him about sọ̀rọ̀ gangan. Thank you for releasing 2 of my videos. It remains 4. It remains 4. Make it now release the remaining 4. They have released 2 of those videos for me. So it's remaining 4. Because they know the tempo has gone down. So they released 2 of the videos. Remaining 4. Please help me to love and like. Don't let them flag us on their ground. So now they beg. Edakun, release the remaining 4 for me. Okay? I am done and dusted with redeem issue. I will continue with my awareness. Anything I see on social media pertaining these people, I will analyze. It's on social media. I'm not coming to your church to carry it. I'm done with redeem issue. I have said my experience. It's on YouTube, it's on Facebook. And I feel so free. Honestly, I feel so completely healed, completely at ease. I feel so happy that I can face the world and say it as it is. I am not a pretender. You guys are pretenders. Many of you are not even happy in the church you are going. You are not happy with them. Some of you have called me, but you are not bold to come out. You have called me. I have voice notes. You are not bold. I am the realest. I am the realest here. I don't live a lie. You guys are living a lie. You are deceiving yourself. You don't even love yourselves. Hostility, envy, jealousy, backbiting, hatred. You find it among yourselves. Competition, jamboree. That's all you go to do there. All of you keep saying, God, God, God. Who have seen this God? I keep asking. Nobody has been able to answer. Who have seen him? Nobody. Nobody will see him and come back. Even the Oyibo will give us book. Now story they give us. I was pondering, if it's because we don't ponder, we don't think. That is why they were able to sell all sorts to us. If not, you should have asked. I was pondering today. I said, this one that they said, on the first day, God created Kineko Kineko. On the second day, he created, who was there when he was doing the creation? That now documented it. If we talk now, you go say it's by the inspiration of the Holy Spirit that revealed it to them. No be mumu talk be that one. And in the same Bible, it says that nobody will see God and live. Nobody will see God and live. Meaning, the day you cry, your God has come to take you. And that is the end. You are not coming back to tell anything. I blame Oyinbo wey carry story give us. And in those days, I remember, and I saw them go draw book. Then go draw drawing. Then go draw drawing of hellfire for us. Draw drawing of heaven for us. Draw drawing of angels. Kai. Look, if your mind, you are still very religious, this page is not for you. Because whatever I say will make you kolo. It's only for people who can reason, who are asking questions too. Those are the people we are rubbing minds. We are asking questions. And the questions none of you can answer. Now, if I ask, and I'll put it as updates, who was there when God was creating the world that could document, and they said the world was void, it was empty. But somebody documented everything. You're welcome, Samuel Oluata. You're welcome. Who was the person that documented it? Who was the person? It's just a simple question. Even Cain and Abel, maybe they were part of the first creation. Who recorded when they fight? Who recorded when they were fighting? To know who by who. Okay, now God see them. Now God still tell them where they can write them inside book for us. If I start asking questions, is my page. And it is because it is something I have been in it. If I have not been in it, I won't talk about it. Like now, you can't ask me to go and talk about Islam. I don't know anything about them. Even though I was born an a Muslim. I never practiced Islam. I started reading Bible as a 6-year-old. I started sneaking into Christian homes at a tender age. As early as 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, until I went to school, higher institution, and I gave my life. And I have collected my life back. I have collected it because the person where I give am to, I no see am. I don't collect my life back. I've discovered that my life is my life. I have been given this life to enjoy it. Hello.
Aunty Adunni.
Ẹ káalẹ́.
Èwo lẹ ṣe o.
Mo wà lórí show.
Ṣé láti wà?
Yeah.
Òun ni mo wò lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀dùn àyíká.
I have collected my life back. Because I go give life to a person where I no see. I go give life to somebody and I go still dey struggle, still dey suffer. I go give life to somebody. Bad thing go dey happen to me. I go give life to somebody. Today, bad thing go happen. Tomorrow, good thing go happen. No. I have collected my life. Like, let me take charge of my life and be responsible. If it's sweet today, fine. If it's not sweet, fine. I don't adjust to reality of life. Say life, oh, now up and down, now pendulum. Now like this, they go. Now like this, they go. It's like a pendulum. Today, you can be here. Tomorrow, you can be here. And I've discovered that life is both sorrow and joy. Today, na sorrow. Tomorrow, na joy. And it doesn't matter. If you like, be sleeping in church till tomorrow. Quotes. Be quoting the Bible from now till tomorrow. I have the joy. I remember one song where we sing that time. I have the life of God in me. No, it's not that song. There is a song that talks about joy. Joy, joy, joy. Joy in my life. Joy forever. Joy abiding forevermore. Joy, joy, joy. Area gay. Na social media na kinong pe. Facebook. We go sing joy, 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 joy in my life, joy forever. I know, no joy. There is nothing like joy forever. Joy today, anything can happen tomorrow. Something can happen tomorrow, joy will come. Now, so you go live them throughout till you go. You are not immune. Your sleeping in church does not make you immune to everything that every woman being will go through. There is no woman being in this life that will say he never get headache in his life before. Even though they will tell you by his stripes I am healed. Shuke. I know that time I can quote that verse, by his stripes I am healed. By his stripes I am healed. I am talking on my own reality. You don't have to stay on my page. You don't have to be with me. You don't have to listen to me. You don't have to look at my face. My face will not have meaning to you. Now I hate you, go to hate yourself. Though I don't care. But to save you from your blood boiling as a... It's not even, I won't say all Christians. As a... Children of the GOs of Nigeria. Children of Pentecostal GOs. There is no how you will see me, you will like me. Because even your GOs, now hatred, they teach you. They teach you how not to love even your co-Christians. So if you can't hate me, wait, you can't consign me. You that they can tell you not to love your co-Christians. Thank you, Modupe. You remember the song. Sister, tell me what you have. I have joy, joy, joy in my life, joy forever and joy that abided forevermore. You remember that song very well. Those were the song we were singing when we just start. You get some song. You go sing some song like this. You go see yourself inside as if to say you don't pay. When you sing some song in those days, you know it go be like say you know hallucination. You go begin hallucinate. You go begin see what you're not supposed to see. Your cousin don't block me. It block you because of me. What did she say I do? Good boy, thank you. What did she say you do? Mary? Why she block you? Me, I'm used to it. Even a very close childhood friend once called me. Tony, what is that thing I see you doing on social media? You, ODD pastor's wife, blah, 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 blah. So, is this the love of Christ? Is this the love of... Now I tell her and say, are you okay? She said, I said, yes. Are you okay? What do you mean, what am I doing? She said, what are you doing on social media? I saw your video. You there, you are a pastor's wife. I tell her and say, now when I get mumu, now the time of my mumu. Yeah, I see it, you know, Sha. Okay, who married me? Put it ready. I'll tell somebody, I say, at the time where I be mumu. I say those times are my time of mumu. God no call anybody. Now their pocket call them. Okay, pè mí láàárọ̀. Bóyá mo busy. So sorry. She said I sent her your viral video on Wigwe because she's a minister. I have a sister on this page. One of my very strong followers that has become my sister. Yomi, how are you, my brother? There used to be, she's on my page, very close to me now, very close, like sister. We talk very well. She's like a sister. And I met her on this my page. She sent me, she sent my video. The video I did, okay, this video I just posted about my experience. She sent it, the part 1 to 5. She sent it to the brother. The brother is a worker in Obaodotvwatch church. And the guy, they give. He gives. So he become broke. Now she can't send the video to her. You know what the brother call her? The brother say she be Antichrist. She should never, ever send Antichrist video to her again. Never, never. If you really read your Bible, she dey say Antichrist na woman be. Antichrist. Oh, I mean, cotton Antichrist. He said, the brother said, don't you ever send Antichrist video to me again. But then watch the video. Then watch her. If I say then watch her, the thing the wife already is complaining. So the thing won't come begin cause kind of confusion for them. When your brain is opening, you become confused. How are you, bro, Mikeni? When your brain is opening, you will be confused. Except you take yourself out of it totally. As long as you are still hearing, you are hearing both sides, you will be confused. It's normal. So, the brother said, never ever send she should never ever send my video to her again, to him again. Lie. That both of us, me and daddy sister, we are Antichrist. But when he is broke, there was a time, was it not last year, the guy was broke. The school fees, he couldn't pay school fees. Now they send him picking home from Obaodotvwatch school. They send him children back home. They don't say, now them is so money for. Because December of that year, when they were doing what's it doing? Me or more. No, my wow. Okay, hello. Ṣé mi ní parí show yìí báyìí? Jẹ́ kí n feel it báyìí. You don't stop church for over 6 years. Now progress, I did see signs because I give to needy. Yes, giving to the needy is very good. It's the best form of worship. First form of whatever. Mamuton. Show you. Me tell you. No, me.
It's not much.
Yeah, and you can say, kill it to low cup. They are the most paranoid people. Yes, you are right. You are right. Somebody said, Ogundele, where have you been, my brother? This your story will go a long way. Some Christian zone will break if care is not taken. Yo, they call me. Thank you, my darling brother and sister, Father Rice. In your makomi. Is either kan jẹ́ kó rí wọn pé bórí wọn ò bá dé pé problem wọn nìyẹn. Somebody said they actually use gospel to divide and rule with that free small blue Bible. Yes. You remember they used to bring those Bible to us when we were young in school. Ara wọn Bible tí mo kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ká in my primary school nìyẹn. They used to bring it for us. Then, by then, Pentecostal would see we rinle, you know. So by the time Pentecostal now gained ground, and it was actually from this man. You know, the man, you know. I used to forget his name. What is the name of this guy? Oh, this man, Otilo, Otiku. What's that man's name? Idaoza. He actually started all this. The Iwumulo Kwawon Baba Adeboye, Baba Oshushengeshen Konkon. He was the one that trained them how to do all this, their business. What did they do? Idaoza. It actually started from him. He started this miracle nonsense and they are doing. And when you're there, Serimogon, the same miracle did not save him. The same miracle did not stop him from the time he will go. Now, I don't know if his church is still functioning like it used to. No, it can't. It is not functioning like it used to anymore. But the university he got from that proceed is still functioning, and the children are in charge. But she rescue family to a poverty, and the same way the others are doing. So all of you coming out to say, Ida Osha, Osha, oh yeah, Olosha, no ye compre. All of you coming out to say, I am attacking Christianity as a whole. You guys are not. Doyin, why did you say I should stop talking the way I used to talk? Let me give them violence. It's Doyin that is not making me to talk again. I will have given you the same gospels you are giving me. The wife is fully in charge, but it can't be like when he was alive. How many times have you heard the wife saying she's doing crusade or going from one church to the other to do crusade like he used to do? It's no more the same. There's another guy in Bakono. What is this man's name? Ibiyemi in Lekki Aja. Inyeno. That one too, it is miracle. The same way, the miracle they are doing for people, they couldn't do it on themselves. At the end of the day, I don't think his church is even existing anymore. Dry smoke, Happy New Year, Bawa Atikira, Efabosi Lejiri, Atikira, Happy New Year, BMG. How are you doing, my brother? Bawa the New Jersey. I hope New Jersey your business is going well. Crusade lórí irọ́ crusade ṣé rí gbogbo nǹkan tí mo yìí máa ṣe analysis lé lórí yìnyẹn mo ti ń pen àwọn topics mi sílẹ̀. Tomorrow I'm talking on testimony. When I have time again, I am talking on days for services. Emma Gon, I want to ask some questions. Days for services, I'm going to analyze it. The days you use in that doing services. But tomorrow, I am talking on testimony. Because it's like that testimony thing, Timo saw, people they didn't get it. And they were like, She Baba lo ni kin sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. No, Baba ko lo ni kin sọ̀rọ̀. But tomorrow, I'm going to analyze that testimony issue. Mi tí mo title ti ma fún, but testimony wà ńbẹ̀. Orí ìtàwà kan ti ṣí. Orí wa ti ṣí. Ọpọlọ wa ń ṣiṣẹ́. We are asking questions. We are looking at all the stories. And it's not adding up. People are giving them money in America very well. They are sowing seed. They say it's not my money and it's not my money. Thank you, my darling brother, King Olatunji Oyedele. You are welcome, sir. It's not my money, it's their money. Kò kàn mí. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ lè ní má sọ̀rọ̀. That's just the bitter truth. There's something called freedom of speech. And Igila in Abuja to dashing out cars. No be juju be that. Oh. Wo Sakamaje àwọn people yẹn pọ̀. Have you heard them saying that Idahosa was the one that prayed for Dangote to be rich? Nílùú wo nìyẹn? Greetings, Jere, my darling brother, Engineer Bukola. You are telling me about Zoe Ministry. I have not come to tell you the story of Zoe Ministry. I was part of people who went to Zoe Ministry of those days. Before we started going to Redeem. I have told you now, when I was going there every Saturday, he was using somewhere in off Bode Thomas. He was using it for program every Saturday for people that are looking for children. So I told you how I used to go there, and there was a time he told every woman to line up. He was now in the room, him alone in the room. All the women will be coming in inside one by one. You will open your belly for him. I've posted that particular video you are talking about, dry smoke. You will open your tummy. If you open your tummy, it will now be rubbing. It will say it's rubbing anointing oil on your tummy. And now, I was younger then, but now I now look at it as well. Báwo ni àwọn uzi ṣe ṣe kíní yẹn tí pọ́nrún ẹ̀ ò ní máa le. His cucumber will be standing up. And I wish sure, but in the process, is not even having kerewa with some people's wife. In those days. Now it's now like, wow. And we gullibly did it. He will say, come inside the room. Only you and him. The ushers were outside. All the women will be like, we will line up and be coming inside one by one. And he will say he's anointing our tummy to get belly. The belly self I no get. Now after that one, I begin go redeem. Still they do faith clinic. It's okay until I go hospital. And they are still doing it. They are still doing it till now. Because there is a video. You're welcome. You're watching from Malawi. You're welcome. There was this video, Zoe Ministry. Yes, at Orile. I learned it was, they will be giving it. Oh, possible. Come and she blow job. It's possible. I learned it was in prison in UK. That he carried drug or something. It's still happening till now. Some things like that are still happening till now. This guy, Jeremiah Omotofufeyin, there was his video I saw, and I think I did a short clip on it on my YouTube. That was the time these people were really on my page. You know, but I didn't know much about how they bring page down. Unlike now that I get to know easily that, these people, this is what they have done, and I quickly appeal, submit disputes on my videos. Then I didn't know. So there was this video that I saw. Akombi, you're welcome, my brother. That I saw from Fufeyin. Pregnant women. And Fufeyin gave them $1. He said they should be using that $1 to rub their belly. Bí ṣe ṣe rè pé yé mo gbé o. Kádàrá àwọn ọmọ lọ́mọ. And he gave them the $1. He said they should rub their belly with that $1 and give it to him back. I hold my head. I say, yeah. Juju o. And you won't believe those women. Okay, you put the link. I mean, she only access the link. And those women were doing it. Robbing the money. They don't know what he has done on the money. And they were rubbing their tummy with the money. I was like, yeah. Tomorrow now, if your pikin begin do somehow, you go begin run up and down. Tomorrow now, pikin wey be say, you don't know where mama carry and go church. Where pastor say make them rob in belle with money. At the end of the day, that pikin go grow up. Life will be one kind. Things will be happening to that boy, to the child. child no go know wetin mama carry in belle go do. I was like, yeah, what is this? I think I should have that video on my YouTube. Because I can't, most of their videos, in fact, I can't put their videos on my page anymore, only to talk about it. But when I see some short ones, I think I'll be doing it again, analyzing like I used to do, and put on YouTube. But I learned they are bringing YouTube pages down too. But I don't have any violations on my YouTube, so, and I have a way of maybe cutting very little. So these people, you will never see me talk of churches that have structures. No, because churches that have structures, the wickedness in that place will be small. Because the pastor in charge is on salary. He cannot do anything outside the church. He cannot say, tomorrow I want to do miracle service. Then go tell and say, for where? Because it's that structure. But all these one-man-owned churches, I can never ever like them. The wickedness they do to gather crowd. If you go and ask, most of these are far, where they say that they do with juju. They are the ones they are doing juju for. They go in the dead of the night. When your God of men will tell you, God say make them they pray around their camp. Oh, Baba, you mark by me, ex-man. It's all this juju people. They go in the dead of the night. When your God of man was telling you sometimes ago, it is now telling us, I was part of the people he told then. It is now is making sense that he's always waking up in the middle of the night to pray around the auditorium. And now, when I begin to understand that these people are more than what we think, I said, okay, no wonder a lot of people are under your feet. In the dead of the night, then go do juju. Then we can't say them pray overnight. And that is why when they now say people should do crazy things, nobody will question them and you will do it. For example, somebody saying, he sit down for chair, can't stand up, so make people begin touch the chair, they touch their head. You better know waiting who they touch your head and waiting they touch your head. You better be careful. Sit down on top of chair, stand up, say make people touch and they touch their head. Next year, they will bring another scope. After that one, they will still bring another scope. Somebody wear cloth, sweat on the cloth. He say make you they touch the sweat, make you they take and touch your head. Is now, a lot of it is making sense. And that is why some people, their lives will forever be tied. Their destiny will forever be tied. They can never get out of it. I want to read one body. I don't know how to say that one in English. Kori wa ma gba body. Tomo tomo. Àìmọye lórí ẹ̀ ti gba body. Àwọn ẹran orí ìso nìyẹn. Ẹran orí ìso. Let me go and eat my dinner. It's 10 o'clock. I'm hungry. So join me tomorrow morning. I'm going to talk on testimony. You can't shut my mouth. Okay? When you are talking, how can she be talking about Christianity like that? No, I am not talking about all Christians. I have my specific people I am talking about. And those are the people enslaving people. Those are the people taking people's brains away. Those are the people doing wickedness. Those are the people not only doing wickedness, also laundering money under the guise of religion. They are the ones I'm talking about. Those are the people I'm talking about are the people that our public fund is going into their pockets. Organic can only shut me up. What you call lórí phone? Okay, sir. But he supports what I'm doing. Only ìjọ tí mo sunkún yẹn nìkan ni pé kí ló ń ṣe lórí phone, kí ni mo rí tó ń ṣe yẹn, you know, because he doesn't go to church too. He has been a victim too, mo ti ẹ sọ̀rọ̀. You see, auntie, I was almost barren. I couldn't go to the hospital for years. Only prayers. I just had my first child at 45. Oh. Ṣé ti rí nǹkan tá ń sọ? Ṣé ti rí nǹkan tá ń sọ? You see? So that's why I'm talking on testimony tomorrow. It's part of the reason I am talking on testimony. People don't get that thing when I was talking about it. They feel I was stupid. And I will say, yes, I was actually stupid. But then, thank God, my sister, at least you have one now. Maybe two. So, you are still lucky. What about people who got to age of 50-something? Almost 60. Those are the things I'm talking about tomorrow. What about àwọn tó jẹ́ wípé wọn ò tiẹ̀ wá rí bímọ rárá? Because at the end of the day, they don't have the money to do IVF. Orí ẹ̀ ló burú bọ́sẹ̀, ó ń ṣí èrè pẹ̀lú question tó wá bí mi yẹn. And you are a woman. And you are a woman. Anyway, don't provoke me, please. Mo ti ṣe show yìí dáadáa. Don't take me through this route. Mo kàn tí máa ṣe tí bá ṣe tán. Olúweke, how are you, my brother? Ṣàlàáfíà ni. So there are so many people today, no child. It's late. They don't even have the money for IVF. And some at 50, almost 60, when is an IVF baby? There's nothing wrong with IVF baby, so don't get me wrong. At the end of the day, if you're having a child at almost 60, by the time you are 70, that child is 10. The only thing that at least you are leaving a child, but that child, you should make provision for that child before you go. Thank you, Bolaji Kono. Make provision for that child. Make sure. Okay, you are presently on maternity leave for your second. Oh, congratulations. Congratulations, my sister. I'm happy for you. Congratulations. Congratulations. So, tó bá di ọ̀la, we will talk. Ara nǹkan tá máa sọ nípa ìlàrọ̀ lọ́la náà nìyẹn. This is part of the things I'm going to talk about tomorrow. I was lucky. I have friends that I know. Story show. Hello. Hello.
Oh, yeah. Àdúrà ló máa yẹ ọ́. Adunni, ẹ kú yẹ ọ́.
Àdúrà ló máa yẹ mí.
Ìṣe la máa ṣàdúrà fún ẹ o. Ìṣe la. Gbogbo ọdún wọn pẹ́ yẹn, owó pẹ́ la nídìí ọkọ wọn pẹ́.
Oh, yeah, orin yẹn again, my brother. I love that song. Go, yeah. Mo ti help àwọn èèyàn save owó wọn. Èpè ò yẹ mí o, àdúrà ló máa yẹ mí. Thank you, my brother. One were very all right. Thank you. You wonder why people keep following me. All the people that you think are supporting me, I want to tell you, 90% of them are victims. And that is why you can see people relating with what I am saying. Ẹni tó pè mí ò mọ̀ rí. Orin tó tún fún mi pé èpè ò yẹ ọ́ o, àdúrà ló máa yẹ ọ́, Adunni. Èpè ò yẹ ọ́ o, àdúrà ló máa yẹ ọ́. Torí mi ò ṣe bí. Mi ò dẹ̀ ṣe bí fún yín. Àánú yín ni mò ń ṣe. Àtọjọ́ tí n ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n kí n sọ pé kẹ́nìbọ̀dì má lọ church. Ọ̀túnba kẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ àti ibo sí ibo. Memphis, get out of here. Digest soon. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate your support. Without you, I can't be doing all these things I am doing. Want to lay me wally? You are the reason why I can stand and continue to do this. And each day, people are being liberated. People are getting sense. People are understanding. People can relate that truly. Somebody just told us now that she was praying for 45 years, almost till she was 45 before she got her senses that she has to go and do something about herself. And there are so many. We are lucky. Some of us are lucky. Not a lot of people are not lucky. I know a lot of women today crying in their closet. They can't come out because they don't have that awareness. They were the way we were too at a point. But why they ẹni tó rí bá ṣe ni ẹni tó rí bá ṣe o ló ń tajà ló ń jèrè ló ń wówó ṣùgbọ́n even pa ṣe pé ẹni tó rí bá ṣe yẹn ẹni tó lọ́pọlọ ni tó sọjí tó ready àti live reality. If you are not ready to live reality of life, you will one day relate with this video and do like this. Hey, Adino, may that not be your story. Until I come your way again, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Thank you for joining me. You are all appreciated. Good night.